I literally karate chop my pillow right down the middle. I know it sounds crazy and weird, but this is every interior designer or home decorator does to the pillow to make it look perfect and plush. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asma Diab. I'm an interior architect and artist and I love DIYs. And you can find all of these videos on my channel. But today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create your accent wall and create your own wall gallery. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button below the video and the bell next to it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, here is the wall before we paint it. First of all, you need to clean it and dust off it very well. Then you use your mask tape so you can tape your wall or your space you want to paint all around to help you keep the edge line very straight. So this is the color I picked for my wall, and if you want the exact same color, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. It's from Behr company. So first of all, you need to mix your color very well. Check your color before you open it, and then you mix and stir it very well. And the first tool you use, it's an angle brush, and I also prefer angle brush first to help you to reach the corner and any place you cannot reach with the regular one. And don't forget, before you paint, you cut in any holes or any cracks you see to keep your surface very flat to help you get a very even surface as much as you can. And after you're done with the border of the space you're gonna paint, use the roller tool and start to apply the first coat, and try as much as you can make your hand straight lines. And after it's completely dry, you can apply the second coat. And don't worry if you see at the beginning is like getting patching. When it's completely dry, all of these patches will completely vanish. And for this color, I choose flat or matte color. I didn't wanna use a semi gloss or eggshell because I need this matte look at the end because it's a very dark one, and it's just one wall, so no need to wash it. It's not very active area. After your two coats completely dry, we're gonna start to hang our wall decor. And you need to keep in your mind that you should hang your artwork at 57 inches height. It's about like 4 feet 7 because this is average human eye height. So this is the appropriate height that your eyes can see. And to make it easy for you, you can start by measuring 57 inches starting from your finishing floor and create a line. And at that height, you can start hang your artwork like up and downs or around this area. Unfortunately, my sofa back height is very low, so it looks very floaty. I cannot hang it lower than this. And if you have the same problem, you can add more artwork or a table behind the couch, a long one, and you can add some like picture frame or long artificial plant. I literally karate chop my pillow right down the middle. I know it sounds crazy and weird, but this is every interior designer or home decorator does to the pillow to make it look perfect and plush. And very quick tip to perfectly blend your accent wall color with the rest of your space. Do not ever use the same tone of the wall. Think about warmer or cooler, lighter or darker, and use it in your cushion, accessories, or throw on blanket. This way you're gonna blend this wall color and create a cohesive, professional look. Okay friends, we came to the end of the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Before I go, I also sell some cool and unique design t-shirts. You can get all these t-shirt designs from Amazon, and you can get all these designs as well on different products like accessories, pillows, phone cases, and much more. You will get all these products from my store, and I will leave all the links in the description box below. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.